Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to install the Houdini toolset for VFX graph, and then when you install it you can do stuff like this, and it's a node where you save point cache in Houdini and can have it in Unity VFX. So I'm going to show how to install it. So Unity had a talk on GDC, and I think it's Thomas-ish, if that's how it's pronounced. He talked about this and show it here a lot about different stuff. And here is the point cache node that the Unity made for us to export the stuff from Houdini to Unity VFX graph. So this one we're going to install, and this one is located on GitHub. So I'm going to share this link to this video, and I'm going to share to this GitHub in the comments. So when you are in this GitHub page, you're going to download the zip file and save it somewhere. And the desktop would be good, and I already have done it, so I won't do it. And when you have downloaded it, you have it here, and if you open it, then you have all the stuff you saw on GitHub. Super nice. So this one we're gonna save somewhere, and I'm gonna save this one where I can find it for later, and actually already prepared a folder. So this is the d/Houdini/Unity packages. That's where I'm gonna save it. So I'm just going to drag it from the zip file to this Unity packages. And if I open this one, DDC tools, Houdini, these are Houdini 9.5, VFX G. So this folder is a lot of good stuff that we need. And you need to let Houdini know where to find these stuff. And in order to make that, you need to link this path to this folder. And the way you want to do this you do this in your documents. And here you go to Houdini, your current Houdini. And then you go into packages. If you don't have any packages, you do a new one. So make sure it's spelled correctly. Like this, open it, and in here you find the VFX graph. This one you want, actually, yeah, you can just put it here. Then you open it. So what we're doing now, we want Houdini to know where to find these folders. And inside packages, you have JSON files that they will always load on open when you open Houdini. So when it opens Houdini, they will check these JSON files. You can have several ones if you have more custom tools. Maybe you made your own ones. Then you just need to add this stuff, and you actually don't need these stuff. So you want a path, that could be nice. And here you want this path is this one. So you just pass it here and change these to forward slashes. And you save it. So what happens now when you save this file, when Houdini start, they will go into your documents and packages and load this stuff into Houdini. So if we start Houdini, and we make a geometry node. And here you have VFX XG. point cache. And this is the cool node that we want. So this is how you do it. So we downloaded the zip file, opened the zip file here, we found this folder, we place it somewhere where we're gonna have it, well, store it, of course, yeah. And then if we go inside this folder deeper, you see the path here, we find this JSON file. We open that file, and in this file we edit it like this, and we copy the path to this VFXG folder, paste it here, make sure we have forward slashes, and then we save it in this directory here, and you save it. And when you have done that, you restart Houdini, and you will have this folder here, VFX graph, and you have these really good things. Actually, I only use point cache at the moment. We'll look into this later. So I hope everything works great for you, and thank you for watching.